everyone, welcome to Saturday Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got an 18 by 24 canvas on here on my Lazy Susan. I'm going to try and do a bloom swipe, probably a colorful one again, but I'm doing more of the blues and golds. Greg's going to put a picture up right now of all the colors that I'm using. It should be showing right now. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all my regulars that keep coming back and watching and commenting and giving me thumbs up, thank you so much, everyone. It really does brighten my day every time I get to read a comment and respond. So please keep them coming. And again, hit the thumbs up. That helps me grow my channel. Alright, I'm going to be pouring White House paint just right out of the can onto my base. Give it a little bit of spin and hopefully I don't make a big mess. I did put some cardboard up along the side. I don't know if you can see it or not. Greg might have framed it well enough you won't be able to see it. Just in case I spray as I spin. So let's get started. Hun, hit some music. Let's enjoy. Let's have some fun.
From the golden domes of Bulgaria, I'll be following you for the ride. I know that these days I've been messing with you like a countless straight out man girl. And I know the right times when you're feeling surrounded, but I think you should know by now. From the golden domes of Bulgaria, I've been cold Himalaya, I'll be following you for the ride. Blinding lights of Chicago, through the streets of Santiago, I will always be there and by your side. 'Cause sometimes we get stubborn, we forget where we come from. We can't see much beyond our nose. And I know there'll come a time we will leave it all behind. And I sure getting close. And from the golden domes of Bulgaria, up the cold Himalaya, I'll be following you for the ride. And from the blinding lights of Chicago to the streets of Santiago, I will always be there by your side. 'Cause you know there is a blue sky hiding right behind those wistful stormy eyes. From the golden domes of Bulgaria, out the cold Himalaya, I'll be following you for the ride. And from the blinding lights of Chicago to the streets of Santiago, I will always be there by your side. From the golden domes of Bulgaria, up the cold Himalaya, I'll be following you for the ride. From the lights of Chicago to the streets of Santiago, I will always be there by your side. By your side.
Loitering out on her doorstep again, I thought I might try to win her back, but I'm all out of confidence. I'm a little nervous about coming down, and every new heartbreak hurts a little more. The first one felt like more than I could take, so I hit the ground running so hard mistakes. But I worked so hard on this one, I gave her my everything. Wasn't losing battle, so I'm laying down. And every new heartbreak hurts a little more. Every new heartbreak hurts a little more than the last time around. And now let her go, oh Lord, just let it be the last time around, please. Now let her go, oh Lord, this might be the last time around, the last time around, the last time around for me. I'm loitering out on her doorstep again, and it's just so damn cold out here. I can see my failing breath. I'm a little nervous and I'm coming down. Every new heartbreak hurts a little more. Every new heartbreak hurts so much more than the last time around.
I love to wake up in the morning, but keep dreaming without warning. The day is gone. And sometimes I take a walk, then I forget about the clock. I can slow down. My friends are sitting laughing, but I just keep on napping. They're knocking on my door, but I'm knocking them down. They say I'm acting crazy, but I just wanna lie in the sun. Whoa, lie in the sun. Now I've been to many places and won so many races. I was a child, yeah. But now my only when is now, and my only where is when I'm by your side. My friends are sitting laughing, but I just keep on napping. They're knocking on my door,
draining all my energy. How did